Mike Doro and Dave Jennings work on the cutting edge of media technology, but they both share an enthusiasm for vintage tube radio and recording equipment.
My love of broadcasting started when I was a kid and had a little 6-transistor radio, and I used to listen at night in bed to all the stations from all around the country.
This equipment has been a part of Mike's life and music history.
We recorded the seeds actually on a board exactly like this. It was just a dual channel Gates.
Dave Jennings designs the technical side of television studios and has several Emmys to his name. Mike Doro's Dorometer is an industry standard for audio measurement. They use their passion for the old equipment for fun, an escape, and maybe a little therapy.
Getting away from the day-to-day, working on the leading edge of technology, going back to the great memories of the past.
Nostalgia is, of course, a draw.
When you'd go out to visit some of the disc jockeys at radio stations, and this is what you would see. The turntables, and they would play a record that you were part of, which I miss. Today it's all touchscreen and computers. It's like a hospital going into a radio station. Forgive me, radio, but it's true. It's just not the same.
All the equipment from that time is very special to me. Now that I'm older and I can afford it, I started collecting that same equipment and putting together essentially the radio station I worked at.
When Mike restores these old beauties, there are a lot of memories involved.
This one came out of Delano from a dear friend, a radio station up there. And I just wanted to wax it and wash it, but I left its original paint even with its wear marks because it has soul.
You're listening to KDOR Radio Los Angeles. I'm Phil Taggart.